Welcome to Love for Libraries, a special place where collaboration and innovation come to life. It's an inspiring space led by amazing teacher librarians like you. With Love for Libraries, you connect with librarians nationwide, fostering a vibrant community and providing your students with opportunities to collaborate with peers from diverse backgrounds. Love for Libraries courses cover many topics, are specifically designed to fit your curriculum, and align with ISTE standards and UN Sustainable Development Goals. We're especially excited to launch this project in partnership with Shannon McClintock Miller, a teacher librarian from Iowa, with a digital literacy course based on her best-selling book, Sonia's Digital World. Whether it's during library time or in partnership with your classroom teachers, establishing opportunities for students to engage in meaningful collaboration is easy with Love. It's not just about teaching, it's about transformation. It's about empowering you to lead with innovation and showcase your commitment to student success. So, fellow innovative teacher librarians, let's embark on this journey together. Let's level up our libraries and pave the way for a brighter future, one collaboration at a time. Let's love our libraries.